Tata Institute of Social Sciences has released the TISSNET Admit Card 2022 on its official website. Candidates who have successfully submitted the application form can download the TISSNET 2022 Admit Card by using their registered email ID and password. They should check out this video to know the step-by-step procedures on how to download the TISSNET Admit Card 2022. Step to download the TISSNET Admit Card 2022. Visit the official website tiss.edu. Go to the Admission menu and click on the MA tab. Then, click on the Admissions button given on the top left side of the screen. Next, click on the Apply tab besides MA Programs. A login window will open up. Enter email ID, password and CAPTCHA code in the login window. Click on the Login tab. The TISSNET Admit Card will be displayed on the screen. Download and print out a few copies of the Admit Card for future reference.